Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question 4 of exercise 2.4 of your chapter. Okay, so what's the question 4 is saying? Simply we'll have to factorize this. So hope you guys have gone through my previous videos of this particular chapter. So those who have not gone through those videos, please go and watch those videos first. You can find the link of the playlist in the description section below. Okay, so here we'll have to factorize this. So we can see beta all the 4 are your quadratic equations. So it's always good to solve the quadratic equation by middle term splitting method. By which method beta? By middle term splitting. So hope you guys know what is middle term splitting method. So I will just quickly give you the recap. So middle term splitting method means whenever you will have to solve a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, means if you will have to factorize this or you will have to solve this, forget about solving, just if you will have to factorize this. So how we are going to factorize? We use the method called middle term splitting. Middle term splitting means you will have to find two numbers m and n. You will have to find two numbers m and n such that m plus n should be equal to b, m plus n should be equal to b, and m multiplied by n should be equal to your AC. So in this way we find, and after that what we do, we write the same thing like ax square and this bx, since b is equal to m plus n, so we write it like this, plus mx plus nx and then plus simply your the last value which is c. So in this way we do it, and after that what we do, we take out these first two terms, we take out first these two terms, okay, and we find the common from it, and then we take out these two terms, we find the common, and after that again we take the common. That was your answer. So we will solve it over here. So see here, so you will have to find the value of m and n such that beta, if m multiplied by n means in this case beta, m multiplied by n should be equal to 12 times 1, which is equal to 12. See beta, a times c, that's 12, and m plus n should be equal to b, means m plus n should be equal to minus 7. M plus n should be equal to minus 7. So how we are going to do that beta? So we know that in this case these two terms will be your, m will be your minus 4 and n will be your minus 3. So see here, m plus n means minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 and 4 3 is 12. Simple. Now write it in this form. So this is your 12 of x square minus of 4x minus of 3x plus 1. Very simple, correct? From these first two terms you can see, you can take 4x common. So here you will get 3x minus 1, and from these two terms, see here beta, in this bracket it's 3x minus 1. So what you will have to do, you will have to take something common from these two terms, so that in bracket you will get 3x minus 1. So from here I can take beta minus 1 common. So what will I get? I will get 3x minus 1. And now from these two terms I can further take 3x minus 1 common. So what will I get? I will get 4x minus 1. That's my answer. 4x minus 1. So that's my answer. Okay beta, it's very simple. Now let's solve the second question. Second question is again the same thing. What it's saying, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So you'll have to find two values such that m plus n should be equal to b, means which is equal to 7, and m multiplied by n should be equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. So you will have to find two numbers such that their product is equal to 6 but their sum is equal to 7. So what will be those two numbers beta? Any guesses? So here beta, simply you can say 6 1 ja 6 and 6 plus 1 7. Yes, so I can take m is equal to 6 and n equal to 1. So see here, 6 into 1 equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So now this I can further write it like this, 2x square plus 6x, 2x square plus 6x plus 1x, means simply I can write it as x plus 3, correct? From these two terms I can take 2x common. If I will take 2x common, what will I get? I will get x plus 3, correct? And from these two terms, if there is nothing to take common, you can always take 1 as a common. So this here I will get x plus 3. Now from these whole terms I can take x plus 3 common. So what will I get? I will get 2x plus 1, correct? I will get 2x plus 1, that's my answer. 2x plus 1, that's my answer. Correct? Hope it's clear, guys. Now let's go to the next question. 6x square plus 5x minus 6 means you will have to find two values such that m plus n should be equal to 5 and m multiplied by n should be equal to 6 multiplied by minus 6, which is minus of 36. Okay, minus of 36. So think guys, any number which we can get so that my sum should be 5. So see here, your addition is positive 5 and multiplication is negative third number. See, addition is positive 5 and but the multiplication is negative 1. It means your one number should be positive and another number should be negative. So we know that 9 4 ja 36. So what I am going to take? I am going to take m equal to minus 9 and n equal to 4. So see here, minus 9 multiplied by 4 will give me, no, hold on, this I am going to take plus 9 and this I am going to take minus 4. So see here, 9 multiplied by minus 4 will give me minus 36 and 9 m plus n means here minus 9 plus minus 4 is equal to plus 5. So in this way we split. Hope it's clear, guys. So now what we'll do, I will simply write it like this: 6x square, here I got plus 9, so I will write here 9x, here I got minus 4, I will write minus 4x and then minus 6. Now from these two terms, if you can see what we can take 3x common, correct? We can take 3x common. So what will I get? So 3 2 ja means 2x and what will I get? 2x plus 3, correct? And from these two terms, what thing I can take? I can take minus 2 common, so I will get 2x plus 3. Now from these two terms I can take 2x plus 3 common, so I will get 3x minus 2, that's my answer. Hope it's clear, guys. Now go to the fourth question. Fourth question is again we'll have to do the same thing. You will have to find the values of m such that m plus n is equal to this b. B is your minus 1. M plus n should be equal to minus 1 and m multiplied by n should be equal to 4 3 ja 12. So now see here, your addition is positive and your addition is negative and your multiplication is also negative. So if your always remember beta, if multiplication is negative, it means one number is positive and another number is negative. Very simple. Okay, and but here addition is also negative means the bigger number is negative and the smaller number is positive. So now this is very simple. I can say I can take m as minus 4 and n as plus 3. So 4 3 ja minus 12, minus 4 multiplied, and this is minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Simply write this. Okay, so this will give you 3x square. This is minus 4 means minus of 4x plus of 3x and then minus of 4. From these two terms simply you can take x common. So what will you get? You will get 3x minus 4. Hold on. You will get 3x minus 4, and from these two terms when there is nothing to common you can always take 1 as common. So 3x minus 4, and now from these whole terms you can take 3x minus 4 as common. So your answer is equal to 3x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. That's your answer. That's your answer, guys. Okay, hope it's clear. So okay, let's go to the next question. So guys, if you are having any question, any doubt, any problem, please feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. Okay, now let's go to the next question.